Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix your Samsung top-load washer that won't drain. This video will take you through ways to do so and more, so watch until the end. Clean the debris filter. The main reason why your washer won't drain is because of a clogged debris filter. To fix this issue, open the debris filter cover. On the emergency drain hose, remove the drain plug. Ensure you have a container in which the water will drain from the auxiliary hose pipe. After the water is drained, turn the debris filter clockwise, then pull out the filter. Inspect the debris filter, then use a soft brush to clean it. Put the debris filter back into your Samsung top-load washer by pushing it in and rotating it clockwise. Return the emergency drain hose cap where it was and ensure that it's locked. Return the debris filter cover to its original position. In case you're unable to fix the top-load washer, you may seek assistance from a qualified repair shop or technician to fix it for you. And there you have it. Fixing your top-load washer that won't drain is easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.